In this video, we will learn how to install VisualV in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to install VisualV, all you need to do is firstly, open up your browser. From your browser search panel, type in VisualV, then hit enter. And the VisualV GTA 5 mods link will appear in front of you. All you need to do is just open it up. And from here you can download whatever version of the game you're using. If you're using the Legacy edition of GTA 5, you have to download the Legacy edition. And if you're using the enhanced version of GTA 5, you will download the enhanced edition. For this tutorial, I'll be downloading the Legacy edition. Then click on download. After that, the download will begin. After the download is done, all you need to do is just right click on the file that you just downloaded and extract it into a new folder. After that, head into the folder. From here you will find various packages. So the main VisualV package is in the installation via mod package in here. The uninstaller is this file, the original file, and there are some optional add-ons that you can use further down the line. So in order to install it, you'll need to have OpenIV installed on your PC. If you have OpenIV installed on your PC, you can just double click on this OIV file and it will start in OpenIV. After it opens in OpenIV, you can just simply click on install button, select the mods folder, and after that confirm installation to install it in your GTA 5. After the installation is done, you can head back and add various add-ons to your game file alongside VisualV. The procedure is the same. Just double click on the OIV file. After that, simply install it by clicking on the install button, then mods folder, then confirming your installation. You need to install it after installing VisualV main file. And if any of these add-ons have the ASI and configuration file, all you need to do is just copy and paste them into your GTA 5 directory. In order to do that, just copy these files. And in order to find the GTA 5 installation directory, open the game launcher you are using to play GTA 5. From here, head to the three dots, manage. From here, select the installation location of the game files, and then just paste them in here. So this is how you can easily set up VisualV for your GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.